Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has decided to go down a little bit, not that much though. In this video again, I just want to focus on this latest price action here, I think, because this is the most interesting one. Anybody who wants to see a little bit more context, please refer back to my last 2 or 3 Ethereum videos, because nothing changed. What we're doing here is investigating this latest drop in a wave 5, which is currently still ongoing. There is no evidence this is over yet. As I said yesterday also here, with this possible wave count, while we can count 5 waves down as complete, which could indicate that this 5th wave of, or this 5th wave here in yellow, of the wave 5 in white, of the wave A, while that could have been complete, there was no evidence because we have not confirmed the breakout to the upside. That is always what we want to wait for. Here we're coming down obviously in a 1, 2, 3, 4. This as a wave 5, that's how I see it still. But the wave 5, of course, it can go longer. I always say I can't tell you, when we still are in a wave 5, I can't tell you how long that wave 5 is going to go. I even expressed yesterday or explained that what we saw here could very well be a wave 4 triangle. And in fact, I think this is what it was, a wave 4 triangle, a very long, boring sideways movement. In the Bitcoin video, I actually told you that this is my view, that this here is a triangle, or at least a wave 4 still, that unless we go above a certain level, we don't have confirmation that the low is in. And that is what we want. We want confirmation in the, it would be here, we want confirmation in the Elliott Waves, in the wave pattern, which is this one here. So based on that, there was a case that the low was in here, but what else is missing? We need also price confirmation, and therefore you've got this white line, and I told you that unless we go above 1510, unless we're trading above that level, we still have to expect lower prices, and that is exactly what happened. So sometimes it's just important to be patient. I haven't started to put any money into ETH yet in this dip. If we drop further, I will do shortly. Bitcoin already chucked a few bits in, just sort of dollar cost averaging in to be able to sell in the next relief rally, which I think will, I'm quite certain there will be one, but of course I can't promise that. I'm not from the future, but what we do here is trying to make sense based on rules of market structure. So, and this is what the Elliott Waves can help us to understand. And yeah, there's nothing telling us the wave 5 couldn't go down lower. This could have been only the wave 1 of the wave 5. We might now see the wave 2 of the wave 5. That would only get invalidated. And now, because the wave 4 is now somewhere else due to the triangle here, so just to make that very clear, we can move the breakout level a little bit. If we see this was the wave 3 low, we moved up in an A, came down a B, C. That's what I told you yesterday, that the sell-off was imminent in this scenario. And there we are. Therefore, the wave E is now the wave 4 high. Therefore, the breakout important here, this level, 1400, let's call it 1500. If you want to be on the safe side, still keep it at 1510. Because there could be a few dollars difference between exchanges. But this is sort of the breakout level, isn't it? That's the important level. If we go above that level, it indicates that wave 5 is finished here, wave 5 in yellow. So this is the confirmation level we need now. And what is a target? Now I told you, if we go once more lower, it could very well be we come down to 1360, that wave 4 low, that will be significant support. And we can also measure again one target for the wave 5 by taking the length of the wave 1. And here an additional target would be here, the 1390 level, 1390, by taking the length of the wave 1 by adding it to the wave 4. No, that was wrong. No, it was the wrong wave 1. 1 second. Let's take this wave 1. Sometimes you mix it. It's still early here in the UK. Still early. Bank holiday today, by the way. So we take the length of that wave 1 and we add it to the wave 4 high. Yeah, that takes us here to a level of 1330. Or here, the first level is actually 1393. That is the one to 1 ratio. 1393 is the first target we need to keep an eye on now. And the second target is the 1.618 extension at 1330. And then in between we've got that 1360 level I just showed you. So this is sort of, I think, the next key area where we could expect a reversal if we go below 1422, the previous swing low here. So I'm going to highlight this so that you know that this is an area where it is quite likely that we will reverse. At least the current wave structure would suggest that. And from here I would expect them to move up either in a wave B, corrective wave, or in an impulse. Both possibilities are there. And I'll keep you updated about which is the more likely higher level wave structure. At the moment we simply don't know. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. What I find the more we drop, the more likely it is that we are already in the wave C. Yeah, that this larger wave B isn't going to happen. Because the more you drop, yeah, the longer the wave A gets, the more unrealistic it is. I think a wave B is now overdue at some point. Now it could very well be, and I explained that in the previous video, that this wave A took already place here, the wave B here, and that we're already in the wave C. Absolutely possible. Also, what is possible is that the wave A was here. This here is an overshooting wave B, and we had a structure like that. The impulse was actually finished here at around 1790. We came down in a wave A. We moved up at an overshooting wave B. We're now in a C. And therefore, the more we drop here in the wave, in this current correction, because the wave A, you know, the longer it gets, the more unrealistic it is, really. So we don't want to be caught off guard. Therefore, I'm telling you what possibilities we have here. But yeah, short term, it doesn't make a great difference. Short term, what's important to understand, when exactly can we understand this correction to be complete? And as I always say, you know, that the trend is your friend until the end. And so far, we have not yet seen any confirmation in this move down that the trend is over. While I'm telling you, in my opinion, a recovery is overdue, I'm always stressing, keep an eye on these breakout levels until we see that. If you go long, for example, it's just a guess, but basically, yeah, we still see bullish divergences. So in my opinion, still a recovery is overdue. But again, we need to wait for those confirmation levels here. Again, bullish divergence, yeah, from that low to that low. But it's not played out yet. Okay, so that's my update about ETH. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.